CSP has been working continuously to expand its product line, offering a variety of battery chargers to meet different needs. For those who require chargers for different types of batteries, higher capacities, or ability to charge multiple batteries at the same time, whether in a workshop, batteries warehouse, or any other place that involves charging several batteries. That's why CSP is proud to present the P36 voltage 8 amperes manual charger, a powerful battery charger designed to charge multiple batteries at the same time, saving time and effort. The P36 is a reliable, high-performance charger that keeps batteries ready for use. It is a 3-stage voltage manual charger compatible with 12, 24, and 36 voltage batteries. It can charge single batteries or up to 3 12-volt lead-acid batteries in series connection. For best result, it is recommended to use batteries of the same brand, specification, and production year. The standout of the P36 is its adjustable charging current, which can set up to maximum of 8 ampere. This ensures efficient and safe charging. Additionally, the charger includes built-in reverse connection protection and a circuit breaker switch. If batteries are connected in the wrong order, both the batteries and the charger remain protected from damage. The P36 comes with 2 charging cables, each 170 mm, making it easy to connect and charge multiple batteries. Its full-wave rectification charging technology ensures a stable and efficient charging process, significantly improving charging speed. On the front of the charger, there is a charging ammeter, power indicator, charging voltage switch, charging current switch, and charging output cable to monitor the charging process. On the back, there is a circuit breaker, AC input, power switch, and fuse for added safety. The P36 does not have a fixed charging time, as it depends on factors such as the battery's current charge level, capacity, and condition of the battery. To determine when charge is completed, a multimeter or battery tester can be used to check the voltage and charging level. Battery status like reduced current draw or the battery reaching its full charge voltage can also indicate the end of charging. To prevent overcharging, it is recommended to check the charging status every half an hour. First, make sure how many batteries need to be charged. If charging 1 battery, simply select the battery numbers from the switch panel. If charging 2 or 3 batteries, then choose the correct number on the switch panel and adjust the ampere settings as required, up to a maximum of 8 amperes. Connect the batteries in series connection. If the batteries are connected in the wrong order, the circuit breaker switch will automatically activate to ensure the safety. Once the batteries are connected properly, turn on the AC power to ensure safe and efficient charging. Check the batteries every half an hour to confirm they are charging correctly. For more details, feel free to contact CSP anytime. See you in the next video.